Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Guys, listen, no, Kat Matlala is not dummy. Kat Matlala is actually very sharp. That's what I learned about him. His accent is a SNS in Mamelodi East. I picked it up very quickly. I was just like, wow, he sounds like some guy. What's a Mamelodi East? Who's not going to SNS? I'm just like, what? I didn't expect that. I thought he would be slow. No, he's actually not. He's very sharp, eh? And you understand also. As he's sitting there, Kgoshi Mampuru, he's been sitting with Thabo Best, Emnikeza ama-tips. I think they're close. I really, really believe so. Just as much as behlala next to each other and all of that. But umnikezile ama-tips, and he's been watching TV, this guy. He's just like, you know what, and he could have just, someone was even saying, why angabe state witness son. He's a criminal, this guy. A sophisticated one for that matter. And Kat Matlala, when he started off, he was giving one answers. Like he wasn't elaborating anything because he doesn't want to incriminate himself. And then they'll just be like, Sagbamba, you are inside the net. You can't come out now. And then only later he started coming out at yeah, Ubheki Cele yebo. Yes, he did actually lie under oath. Lo muntu loyo. Ufaka mina uqabela amanga ukuthi ini kanti I was even giving him money to go to some wedding in Lanseria. I'm just like, now you talking dabas now. Kodwa nathi bantu besifazane ave sithanda igebengu. Igebengu nje guys sisuke sesifunani. Nangu disithobejane girl uTebogo. Wayephakathi inside kodwa azi ukuthi ukhetha unengane ezu9. Like honestly guys, and the wife. Someone even said that's what, and the wife. I'm like, honestly guys, guys, if you've listened to all my videos, I've always maintained I've never sugarcoated anything. I have a video nje yakhe, like it's less than 2 minutes, that video actually. I said it straight up. He is a Mgulukutu. I think I said something like, you can tell, man, from labo baba nje abadala ukuba yigebengu. Hayi manje. Guys, just let me know what you think. I think he is protecting Joseph Asbe, General Shadrack. I saw something there. Say, you know what, khona ngizomprotector. I think we are not a relationship. Ngoba manje the problem with Ubheki Cele, their relationship was dodgy. And Ubheki Cele never came across to us as somebody omasiyo Kat Matlala ngaleyo ndlela. But at first, when their story came out, kwakuthiwa Ubheki Cele was sleeping in some posh apartment in Menlyn. I mean, Menlyn is posh. So ngayibona apartment there. Hayi jiki. And uyasho futhi nayo Kat Matlala ukuthi lo muntu ngifonela. And I made a video about those phone calls ukuthi umfonelelani uMgulukudu wena wawi police minister. What would you want from that person for him? Yeah, there's something there. And Kat Matlala now is just revealing those things now to us. So lo muntu isigebengu. Don't even think listen to izisho ad hoc. Futhi uzowaphinda wathi yes, wambuza uMalima wathi yes, he lied under oath. Waphinda usho Matlala. It's like I'm done. Kodwa khona la Kat Matlala is actually lying khona naye. You can pick it up. The lies phela are not hard to pick up. But lega 500,000 ikhona ya exist. Yenzeka. I see it. Actually, yayibona. I think Ubheki Cele underestimated into ukuthi uma hlala ngabizwa. At the back of his mind, he was like, no, Mgulukudu vele. South Africa, ibona ukuthi Mgulukudu, I'm better. I was in parliament. I was a minister. I'm happening. Please. Akabosh.
General Cele said You called him, you met him, told him Mokgotsi told you that Mchunu wants to be a president, and therefore they need you to finance the campaign of Mchunu. And they told you not to work with Cele and make sure you close Cele out and Zuma out. Don't tell them these issues. And from there, you need to keep on giving him information, because when we asked him, why do you keep Matlala close to you? He said, no, I kept him close because he was bringing information from Mchunu to my side. So I can't let him go because he's giving me information. He said that under oath. And now you're saying he's the one who came with the information, the opposite of what he told us. So effectively, I'm asking you, Mr. Matlala, did former Minister Cele lie under oath about those issues in relation to your name?
Yes, he lied under oath.
Thank you.
If he was asking, he was seeking information, why would he even ask me to ask my protectors to take him and his wife to a wedding somewhere in Lanseria? So that there was no way from me sending my protectors to drive him to a wedding. There was no way he will get information from those guys. He don't know them. If he wanted information, he was supposed to all the time make sure that I'm with him so that he can suck information from me. But it was for his own benefit. I even gave him even money. If you are here to suck information, that money, declare it somewhere that, okay, this guy gave me this money, and then, but since we know that for him we want information, I had to ask money from him. I don't think he even declared that money. I gave him money twice.
Yeah. How much did you give him, the first one and the second one?
I gave him 300,000, and then on the second occasion I gave him 200,000.
Okay. Honorable members,